The COOAU 2-camera solar security kit stands out for truly wire-free installation, with separate solar panels that keep each camera powered without constant battery swaps or messy cabling. Image quality is impressively sharp thanks to the 4-megapixel sensor and 2.5K resolution, which makes it much easier to recognize faces and details in both daylight and low-light scenes. The combination of full 360-degree pan and tilt with weather-resistant construction gives very flexible coverage outdoors, so you can monitor wide areas like driveways, yards, and side entrances with minimal blind spots. Local recording to the included 64-gigabyte card and support for offline capture mean you can keep footage private and still have a reliable record even if your home internet drops. The base station's dual-band Wi-Fi 6 support provides a more stable link to the cameras over longer distances, which helps reduce video dropouts when units are mounted on roofs or detached garages. The companion application is straightforward to use, offering quick setup, color or infrared night viewing options, smart motion alerts, and voice assistant integration that together make the system feel polished and convenient in daily use.